Question 12, 7,113 times 82. Now, this is going to be a magic zero method. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate how to do that now. So what I always recommend is instead of single spacing your lines, double space them instead. I'm just going to demonstrate the difference between what I mean. So if you were to single space your lines, you would do this, ready for your working out. But double spacing your lines just means making each space 2 squares wide instead of 1. So I'm actually going to have a 2 squares wide space there, another 2 squares wide space there for working out, another 2 squares wide space there, and another 2 squares wide space there. So we basically need 3 spaces for working. So in the first space, we're going to times everything by this 2 here. So we're going to go 2 3s, 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 7s. And because we've double spaced our lines, we've got extra space and it won't look as squashed up. In the past, I've seen people make a mess of this. They've got carried digits squashed up with the other digits, and then they get a bit mixed up and a bit confused. So hopefully, by double spacing, we'll avoid confusion. So we're going to go 2 3s, 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 7s. 2 3s are 6, put the 6 in. 2 1s are 2. Nice and easy so far, no carrying to be done. 2 1s are 2 again, and 2 7s are 14. Put the 4 in, carry the 1. Notice how I put the carried 1 onto this line here. But because we've reached the end column on this 7, this carried 1 can actually just go straight in because there's nothing else to do. Then we cross out our carried digits because we've already used them. We've already accounted for that 1. Now we go on to the second line. So on the second line, we're going to deal with this 8. But remember, this 8 doesn't mean 8. It means 80, because it's 82. So to times everything on this top row by 80, you put your magic 0 in, and then just times by 8. Timesing by 80 is the same as putting a magic 0 in, and then timesing by 8. So it will work. It's just like a little hack. So we're going to go 8 3s, 8 1s, 8 1s, 8 7s. 8 3s, 8 1s, 8 1s, 8 7s. So here we go. 8 3s, so 24. Put the 4 in, carry the 2. 8 1s are 8, plus this 2 is 10. Put the 0 in, carry the 1. 8 1s are 8 again, plus this 1 is 9. And 8 7s are 56. Put the 6 in, carry the 5. But because you reach the end column on the 7, this 5 can just go straight in. So on the middle line, we've got 569,040. Again, scribble out your carried digits. Now, as you can see, by double spacing, I've got much more space. These carried digits aren't in danger of getting mixed up with the digits on the actual lines, in the actual spaces. Final thing we need to do is add both rows together, because remember, this row was 2 lots of 7,113. This row was 80 lots. So on the last row, if we add them together, we're going to have 82 lots, which is what we wanted in the first place. So that's why we're adding the 2 rows together. 6 add 0 is 6. 2 add 4 is 6 again. 2 add nothing is 2. 4 add 9. There's a bit of carrying here. 13. 3 in, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. And nothing plus 5 is 5. So every 3 digits from the end, put your comma, go 1, 2, 3, comma, and then you just ready to read off your final answer now. So your final answer is 583,266.